Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open the Roku home screen and go to Streaming Channels in the side menu. Use the Search Channels function and type YouTube TV with the on-screen keyboard. Highlight the YouTube TV channel from the results and press OK on your remote. Select Add Channel to install it on your Roku device. Wait for the installation to finish and watch for the confirmation message. Press the Home button and find the new YouTube TV channel tile on your roster. Open YouTube TV on Roku and choose Sign In to display an activation code. The code appears as a short alphanumeric string on your Roku screen. Use a phone or computer to visit TV. YouTube.com/start and sign into your Google account. Enter the on-screen code exactly as shown and submit it. The Roku app will refresh and sign you in automatically within a few seconds. Confirm your subscription and set any parental controls you need after activation completes. Navigate the Live, Library, and Home tabs to browse channels, recordings, and recommendations. Select any live channel or recording and press OK to start playback with the Roku remote. Use the remote buttons to pause, rewind, fast forward, and change audio tracks when available. Press the star button to open more options like closed captions and playback speed. If video buffers, check your Wi-Fi connection and restart the YouTube TV channel on Roku.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.